Totalkare's heavy-duty, 4-post lift is designed to provide a fixed position for lifting operations, making it the ideal solution when the flexibility of mobile vehicle lifts is not needed. Available in a range of capacities from 8,000 to 35,000 kilograms, the 4-post lift is designed to lift most types of commercial vehicles. The platform lengths of 7 to 18 meters give flexibility for various lifting operations. Our 4-post lift is available in surface or recessed mounted configurations and can easily facilitate both drive-on and drive-through options, thereby making it convenient to use. We offer the additional options of a jacking beam and lighting for ease of use. Featuring an electronic self-alignment system, our heavy-duty 4-post lift assures easy accessibility and maximum safety during lifting operations. We also offer a fully galvanized option, which makes it suitable for external or wash bay applications if required. We understand the importance of site surveys. Therefore, we offer site surveys upon request to ensure a tailor-made solution. Speak to our team today for more information or a bespoke quote.